the quality of air was very difficult for people of Delhi NCR to breathe, as it's like a toxic gas chamber. And that's why from today onwards, GRAP 3, which is Graded Response Action Plan, third stage has been implemented in Delhi and NCR. And if I talk about what all are included in this, what steps would be taken in GRAP 3, then there would be a ban on all sorts of construction activities along with demolition. And if I talk about vehicles, then BS3 diesel and BS4 petrol vehicle would be completely prohibited in Delhi and NCR areas. Also, interstate bus, which is of diesel, they will also be not allowed here. And if I talk about the school levels, then today Chief Minister Rekha Gupta to chaired a meeting in Delhi Secretariat, and there it was decided that now primary school students, that is up to 6th standard, they will be given a chance to opt for hybrid mode. That is, they'll have a chance of parents would preferably choose online mode as well, seeing the ongoing air pollution situation, which is quite critical. As you know, that top pulmonologists have advised people of Delhi and NCR that if possible, then leave Delhi for 2 to 3 weeks, because the situation is quite critical. And if there is a prolonged exposure in this toxic gas chamber, then that can cause serious respiratory illness. Also, if I talk about the other measure that has been talked about in the GRAP 3, then in that even corporate companies have been told to opt for work from home, because vehicular emission would be reduced in this way, which is one of the major reason behind the pollution level in Delhi and NCR. There are several other regions. All right. There are several reasons as well apart from the vehicular emission, as Chief Minister Rekha Gupta even stated in today's meeting that we have been working on the hotspot of different areas of Delhi and NCR, especially Anand Vihar, Ashok Vihar, which is usually the hotspot of Delhi's pollution. And apart from that, dust mitigation, and at several areas we have even seen anti-smoke guns and water sprinklers, they have been deployed. So Chief Minister clearly stated that from past 7 to 8 months, the Delhi government is continuously working, but still the condition is not in their hand, because of even the neighboring state, as we have seen, the stubble burning cases is continuously increasing, and that is also one of the major causes because of which Delhi's pollution continues to increase, and it becomes a very difficult part for people of Delhi and NCR to breathe in this toxic gas chamber.
Right, Aparna, before we let you go, help the viewers also understand the political war of words over the missing, hours of AQI data yesterday. From 1 p.m. till about 9 p.m., the data was missing. It was only later on the Sameer application that the data was put out after clear-cut outrage. So what do the civil society groups tell us? What do the residents tell us? And of course, the political war of words over this is not going to die down. It's going to be a clear-cut Aam Aadmi Party versus BJP over the missing data now.
Well, since the festive season started and the winter kicked in, we have seen that there has been a tug of war between Aam Aadmi Party and Delhi government over the pollution data. We even saw that on the day of Diwali, it was alleged by the Aam Aadmi Party that pollution data has been hidden. It has been manipulated by the Delhi government. After that, we even saw that international monitoring agencies like IQAIR, they even stated data to be above 1,000 in Delhi and NCR, which clearly showed that how data was manipulated. Also, we even saw that several Aam Aadmi Party leaders, they made several videos, they tweeted about it. One such video was by Saurabh Bharadwaj from Anand Vihar monitoring station, where he showed how water sprinklers were deployed near the monitoring station, and that was kind of artificially reducing the air quality index and kind of manipulating the data. But then again, there is no official statement from the CPCB side, which is Central Pollution Control Board, and also Delhi government. They are saying that no such thing has been done, and also no official statement has come forward regarding this matter. Over to you.
You know, the data smog engulfs the capital as pollution figures go missing as well. But Aparna, one also has to constantly understand that the CPCB, the CAQM, they're quite mum on this particular issue. The one aspect is, of course, the politics of it all, and whether the Delhi government will now come out, or whether their credibility takes a hit. With the missing AQI data, it has already happened during, Diwali as well. But what about the central agencies that are actually managing this? Any kind of, reaction or a response or a statement from the CAQM or the CPCB as to why, when the AQI seems to be on the rise, it seems like the data suddenly goes missing?
Well, as of now, the information received from their side is that different monitoring agencies have their own way of monitoring about the air quality index. And it's like CPCB has, CPCB along with DPCC, the monitoring agencies, they have a limit of 500. And based on that, the air quality index gets presented. And that's why since their different monitoring stations have different format of measuring the air quality index, hence the data is not actually getting manipulated as per the statement from CPCB or DPCC, but we have clearly seen that from time to time international monitoring agencies have been showing data to be above 500, 700, which is a kind of a condition quite critical for people of Delhi and NCR. And it's a kind of a air emergency as well as one. It has been filed in Supreme Court as well, public litigation where air emergency to be declared was the litigation that was filed. And also we saw several protests have been going on because people of Delhi and NCR are really feeling difficult to breathe in this toxic gas chamber. And if I talk about the overall AQI, according to the Samir application, then today it was above 400 and several areas reported above 400, which is indeed critical. And that's why the situation needs to be taken control. And hence, as of now, Delhi government has implemented GRAP 3 measures as well, so that further the pollution could be tackled.